And gentlemen, my name is Sheena Jones. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Webull. So with this promotion here, all you got to do is deposit a penny and you're going to get 20 stocks. Them 20 stocks are all going to be worth $60. So you're going to deposit a penny, one penny, you're going to get $60, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and this promotion ends November 15th. So let me walk you guys through the steps so you can get this free money. Deposit a penny. Ask yourself, would you deposit a penny just to get $60? On top of it, how many people would you tell about Webull if you told somebody, one of your friend, hey, you got a penny on a bank account? I can show you how to get 60. They're going to say yes all day, every day. Show me. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to scroll down. We're going to click here where it has, let me get my pen out, where it's in blue, sign up to get free stocks. Okay, we click that. Now we're going to put in a phone number. If it's your first time putting in a phone number, putting your phone number, make sure you select all the boxes. You're going to make sure you click there. Let me put in a phone number. Okay, did that. And then it's going to send you a code. Click send code. Remember, this is for the United States only, so make sure you put in the correct number, 706-623-2093. Okay, we did that. We're going to receive a code. Let me pause the video for a second because I gotta grab the code. Oh, okay, there it is, 581444. Okay, we got our code. Now we got to set up a password. I'll be right back. Got to put a password in. Okay, so we put in our password. We are now going to select next. It is loading for us. Okay. So download to get your shares, so forth. Okay. And then we click download. Okay. Download the app. I already have the app. So I'm going to click go to the app. Continue. Okay, it's already in our Play Store. Just once. Open. Okay. And so we're going to click on log in because we already created a okay, we're going to put in the number. 706-623-2093. Okay, and we're going to click on next. And then you got to match these little puzzle things. There we go. We did that. Okay, password. I'll be right back with you. Let me put in my. Okay, so we are here. I put in my password. It says, congratulations, you received 1 month subscription to level 2 quotes, NASDAQ, so forth. We're going to exit that out because we don't need that. And you guys see right here how it is showing get free stocks now. Open an account. We're going to click on this right there. Okay, let's click it. And then we're going to click right here where it has open account. Okay, we're going to click on OK. Email address. Make sure you have a valid email. The email we're going to use is, let's see. You got to put in your email and then you're going to click here where it has send code. Send code. Okay, we should be getting something. Sometimes it takes a little time. Bam, there we go. Okay, let's see. Okay. 185-753. 185-753. 185-753. Okay, next. Okay, your citizenship. You got to do your identity stuff. Okay, I'm in the United States. Okay, and we have a driver's license. And then you're going to click here where you start to verify. Everyone has to do this now. And remember, you can use a passport, your driver's license, or a state ID, you guys. So up to you what you decide to use. But it's there. Okay, and then if you are a citizen, you gotta mark your citizenship exactly what you are. It has that. And then you click here in blue at the bottom, start to verify. Okay, while using the app. Okay, so I will be back. I got to do all my stuff. You got to, before you start, read the stuff. Prepare a valid government ID. Make sure that it's in a well-lit place, because you got to take a photo of it. And if you don't know what Webull is a stock app, ladies and gentlemen, where you can invest in stocks, you can trade. On here, you can do so many things. That's what Webull is. But I'll be right back. Once you have all your stuff together, you click here on Let's Go. I want to click Let's Go real quick. Okay, while using the app, allow. Okay. Once it gets to me uploading my ID, I'm going to stop the video so that I can upload my documentation, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. After you have uploaded your ID, putting your social, your address, and so forth, you'll have here, choose the option that applies to you. Okay, I am a member, family member. No, you're going to select none of the above right there. And then you're going to click next. Okay. And liquidity needs, probably net worth. You're going to fill in all this information. Somewhat important, approximate net worth. I just put anything, not anything like that, but okay. Just put random, okay. It's for you to convert assets to cash, somewhere important. Okay, then we click next. What is your investment experience? Put moderate. It's basically your investment knowledge. Done. Investment objective. Just to summarize the strategic approach towards meeting investment goals. Growth. We'll put growth, and then time horizon. How long do you plan to invest? We'll put 7 or more years. Okay, for that, and then we'll click next. Under penalty of perjury. Oops, let me. Okay, then we are here where it has the account type. Okay, if you're going to select a cash account, you're going to select that. Now, if you're somebody that's signing up for Webull again, and let's say you have a cash account, you open a margin account. So, but everyone open a cash account, select that, and you click next. Okay. Trading privileges. Okay, next. Everything's already selected for you, so forth. Click, and you're going to e-sign. I agree. You sign your signature, blah, blah, blah. You click submit. Okay, that was super easy. Your application has been submitted, it's being processed. You'll be notified once the review is complete. Now, once the review is complete, you're going to simply deposit a penny, and you are done. And I will be right back to make another video once it's approved to show you how to deposit your penny. Ladies and gentlemen, here's part 2. Now, once your account is approved, it's going to say this. You're going to get this email. Congratulations, your brokerage account is approved. And it has your information and so forth. Okay, so let's get out of there. Now, we are going to go back to Webull. So go back to your Webull app. Okay, it has not been set up. You have to set up a trading password. Okay, you got to set a password, ladies and gentlemen. Get a pen and paper out, write down your password. I'll be right back with you. Let me set mine. Okay, so once you have set up your password and then you set up your PIN, make sure you write your PIN down as well. I already did them steps. Now what we have to do is we have to deposit. Now you see here it says deposit and get up to 12 stocks free. So we're going to get up to basically $60. Ladies and gentlemen, for depositing a penny, you see right here where it has deposit. We're going to click there. Deposit. Okay, we can do a wire or we can link a bank. I think 3 to 4 business days, 1 to 2 business days. Okay, so we are going to link our bank. It's going to take 3 to 4 days and it's free. So let's go ahead and get that to get started. Okay. Micro deposit, real-time verification, It's instant. We're going to try that. Or you can get micro deposits sent to you. It's totally up to you. But I like instant, getting it done. I don't like having to wait. And we're going to continue. And you're just going to put in your bank name. Whatever your bank is, you're going to put it in. And you simply connect your bank. That's all you got to do. It is straightforward. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video so I can log in and deposit my penny. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have linked my bank, my checking, and I'm going to deposit a penny. Okay, 0.01. Okay, 0.1. I'm depositing a penny. Y'all see that, right? Deposit. And then you basically click you understand. It's showing you depositing only a penny. Okay, confirm. Deposit application submitted. Your deposit application has been submitted. My deposit has been initiated. And then all you do now is you click right here on done. Okay, and I am finished. We're going to wait for our penny to show up, ladies and gentlemen. We are completely done, completely finished. Once your penny shows up, then you are good to go. I have another video that shows you how to sell your stocks once you receive them. Thanks for watching this video on how to sign up for Webull.